Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Let's go. So guys, ask about my performance task starting this Monday. Alright, Monday coming. So WhatsApp me at 549-2161. Grade 4 students, look at the last exam that was set for you guys. Which is a numeracy test and it's supposed to take 40 minutes to complete. Let's get into it guys. So this one says, which option shows coin with a total of $42? So guys, you have to know your coin. This is a $20, this is a $10, and this is a $1. Couldn't be this because the total is 32. Let's see if we can make this a little brighter. Alright, so we have $20, that's a 40 already, $10, that's a 50 and 1. So we have $23 here, so it has to be, let's see, so 20 plus another 20, that's 40, and then two $1, so yeah, that would be D. Which two numbers will give a total of 100? Is it 45 and 75, 45 and 65, or 35 and 65? That would be 35, 65. Which operations will give the difference of two numbers? Difference means to subtract, so that would be D. Which number when divided by 3 leaves a remainder? So all we have to do is just look for the multiples of 3. 12 is a multiple of 3, 15 is a multiple of 3, and 21. So that would be 40. Which of the following is true? 19 is greater than 25. That is not true. 19 is less than 25. That is true. A bag with 30 mangoes is equally shared among 3 friends. Which of the following would the result of number of mangoes each receive? So you have 30 mangoes and you're dividing it by 3 persons. So that would be 10. So this one would show A as our answer. Which of the following represent the product of 521 and 3? So product means to multiply. So what we do is simply multiply. It's supposed to be 1. So 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 3 5 50. So that would be C. Which digit has the greatest value number in 4,352? And of course, this would be 4. So 4 have a value of 4,000. 3 have a value of 300. And of course, you have 50 and 2. So the greatest value here would be 4,000. Thanks to everyone who supports Mr. Bennett. Thank you guys so much. Much appreciated. Which of the following represent $423 and 15 cents? So I'm going to just look for the 15 cents first. You see that these end with that, so we can eliminate those. And they say 400, so that would be. Alright, let's move on to 10. What is another way of writing 540? So it's 500 plus 40 plus 0. That would be. The diagram below shows a rectangle divided into 4 equal parts. The shaded part of the equal rectangle shown below, use it to answer question 11. Which of the following fraction represented by the shaded part of the rectangle shown below? Alright, so we have 1 whole plus another 1 whole, and then we have 3 out of 4, so that will be 3/4. So when I add 1 and 1, that's 2, so it should be 2 and 3/4. So that would be A. A fraction of a circle below has been shaded. Use it to answer item 12. Which of the following Which number represents the denominator of the fraction that is shaded? Now the denominator tells us how many parts the whole is divided into. So we just have to count them, right? So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. Let's move on to 13. What is 364 rounded to the nearest 100? So 364 to the nearest 100. The nearest 100 can either be 300 or 400. So what we have to do, check if this is over 50, then we round up. So 64 is greater than 50, so we round up. So that would be 400. Alex came fourth in a race. Sam came third place ahead of 3 places ahead of him. What was Sam's position in the race? So let us say this is Sam and then Alex. So let us say Khan and Alex came fourth, right? So you just kind of have a visual and then you say no. Sam came 3 places ahead, right? So it's 3 places, so second, first, second, third, fourth. 3 places ahead would definitely be first. Alright. The picture below shows a group of students. What we use it to answer question 15. What fraction of the group of students is standing? The first time I saw this, I thought I read this as studying, I guess my eyes catch on, but it's standing, so it's 4 out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students, so it's 4, 7. Examine the number line, use it to answer item 16. Which fraction best describes the location of x? Now it don't reach a half, and you can see that it could be about a quarter, based on the fact that the distance from here to here is the same. So that I would go with a quarter, which is C. Examine the set of triangles below. Use the fraction of the triangles that are shaded. No, the fraction of the triangles that are shaded is 610. Use this information to answer question 17. Which whole number is 610 closest to? Now 610 is closest to 1. Examine the picture showing the bottle with liquid soap below. Use it to answer question 18. Which unit of measurement is most suitable to represent the amount of liquid soap in the bottle? Is it gram, liter, meter, or ton? I'm going to go with liter. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Examine the time shown on the clock. Use it to answer item question 19. Which of the following is the same time as shown on the clock? So I'm going to write the clock time first. This is 5 hour and is the short hand, so that's 5:20. As with this, you count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 with the minute hand. So this is 5:20. Is it 4 past that? No. 5 past 4? No. 20 past 4? No. So it would be D. 20 minutes past 5. I think only Jamaicans read time like that. A piece of stick is 55 centimeters long. How much shorter than 1 meter is a piece of stick? Now 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? Somebody type that in the comment section. So it would be 100 minus 55 is equal to 45. That would be A. Examine the rectangle below. Use it to answer item question 21. The amount of space taken up by the rectangle is 28 centimeters. What does 28 represent? And that would be the area. Now the area is the number of squares it occupies inside. That occupies, take up, right? If it was volume, it's the number of space. Perimeter would be the total distance around what they didn't. 7 and 4, 11. So that will be about 22. So it's not the perimeter, but the area. Alright, let's look at this one. Which instrument is best used accurately to measure temperature? Is it a scale, the thermometer, the clock, or the ruler? And that, of course, is the thermometer. Alright, let's complete this paper, guys. Let's go. The diagram below shows the month of October, which is the best month of the year, from a calendar for the year 2022. Use it to answer item 23 and 24. Which day is October 3rd, 2020? So now we have 1, 2, 3, and that would be a Monday. So that is Monday. Alright. Which of the following is true about the month of October? We have 6 weeks, no, 5 weeks and 2 days, 5 weeks, 4 weeks, and 3 days. So that would be, I'm not gonna even check this. I'm not gonna reach 5. Alright, examine the box below. Use it to answer question 25. The box is an example of which solid. Is it a cube, a cuboid, a cylinder, or a sphere? And that would be a cuboid. A line drawn through a shape and it creates two identical squares. Which of the following could be the shape that the line was drawn through? I would say a rectangle. No, to get two squares, couldn't be a triangle, couldn't be a circle, couldn't be a kite, right? Alright, let's look at 27. A bicycle together with its price tag is shown below. Use to answer question 27 and 28. Which of the following would represent the cost for two bicycles? So you have n plus n. Two way you can get it, or 2n. Now they don't have 2n, so this is the 28. Susan bought the bicycle sale for half price. She paid 4,000. What was the original price? So if it's half price, that means they divide it by 2. So to find the real price, we want to multiply it by. Multiplication is the opposite of division. So that would be 8,000. Let's look at this one now. Smiley face. Students in grade 4 class were asked which sport they like the most. Pictograph below shows their responses. Use it to answer question 29 and 30. Alright, so we have track and field, netball, tennis. Where's the key? We need the key. The key, this represents 4. So each one of them smiley face here represent 4. So what would R represent? Put that in the comment section. Alright, let's go now. How many students like football? Football is the most popular sport. Well, not in this case. So we have 4 here, plus another 4, and then we have 2. So I would say 10 persons preferred football. And for 30, which sport is liked by twice the number of students that like tennis? So first, we're gonna find tennis and see which one is liked twice. So now this is 4 plus 2, which is 6. So I want one that has 12. And of course, here we go. That is netball. So that would be netball. Alright, big up to all the netball parents. Do the right thing, get your child in a class early. This is my number. You know the name already. The name is Lennox Bennett. Do the right thing, parents. Get to there, sir. Alright. 549-2161. The next minute out, but I'll see you guys in another video. Big up everybody who support my channel.